Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use eye tracking on your iPhone iOS 18. So this basically allows your iPhone to follow your eye movements, enabling hands-free control and accessibility options. So here's how you set this up, guys. So first things first, what you're going to do is you want to open up your settings. So start by opening the settings app on your iPhone and then access the accessibility settings. So scroll down and just tap on accessibility. And then what you're going to do, guys, here you will see this option right here. You want to enable eye tracking. So under the physical and motor section, you want to tap on eye tracking. Toggle the switch on to enable the eye tracking features. And then, of course, you want to set up calibration. So once activated, you'll be prompted to calibrate your eyes. So you want to follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. This usually involves looking at specific points on the screen for a few seconds. And then, of course, after calibration, you can use eye tracking to navigate through your phone. You'll notice that as your eyes move, the cursor or focus point on the screen will follow. This can be used for, hands-free navigation, typing, or even controlling apps. And of course, you can always adjust the eye tracking settings, and you can further customize how eye tracking works by adjusting settings like, tracking speed and dwell time, which is basically how long you need to focus before an action is performed. And that's it, guys. Now you can control your iPhone with just your eyes. So I hope this guide was of help to you. If it was, guys, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.